Automatic Guitar Lessons, and here we go again. It is another capo week. If you guys do not have a capo yet, make sure to hit that YouTube short video and to learn how to make your own capo. But for now, we're sticking with the capo songs. There's still 2 today and another one coming up. So make sure to hit that notification bell and hit subscribe to not miss any of those lessons. Stick around, we're going to learn some awesome songs right now. Another capoed song. This time the capo is on the 1st fret. As always, make sure it is firm and tight on your neck and on your strings, pressing down firmly. So this time we're going to do a song from Ed Sheeran, and it is the song called Perfect. It's a great song. I love this song. It's only 4 chords. So it's quite easy, even for the beginners out there, to learn the song and to sing along with it. So let's run through the chords you're going to need to know. So the first chord is the chord G. Then E minor. And then C. And then the chord D. Some easy chords you guys already know. If you guys do not, hit the link on top for some chord lessons and run through it. Come join us, play with us, learn some new songs. Also stick around, we're going to zoom in and learn Perfect from Ed Sheeran right now. Ed Sheeran with Perfect. The capo is firmly on the 1st fret. So let's go through the chords. The chords are G, E minor, C, and D. This is a really easy song to play. It's the same progression throughout the song. There's only a little interlude where you're going to go quicker with G, D. But let's go from the verse. You're going to play 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And that is actually called triplets, and that gives it the waltzy effect. You know, that 1, 2, that dancing, that first dance at the wedding. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. So it's an easy way to sound so cool on guitar. So let's go from the verse, and we're going to start off with the chord G in 3, 2, 1, and G. To E minor, to C, to D, and G, and E minor, and C, and D. And that, guys, is as easy as that. That is the verse to Perfect. Now the pre-chorus is also G, E minor, C, but then you're gonna go G, D to get into the chorus. Now what you guys can do with that one, you guys can play a long note and a short note up. I prefer the triplets. Just accents 1 or 2 of 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. I prefer to play it like that. It's my personal choice, so you guys can make it up. There's also a link on top for some cool tips and tricks on how to get your strumming sounding so much better instantly. So let's go through the chorus. G, E minor, C, G, and then D. So let's go in 3, 2, 1, and G. And E minor. And C. It sounds a bit weird if you play it slower, so let's go, because we were just kids when we fell in love. So that's the, and I will not give you up this. And then time is with the D. So let's do the pre-chorus once more. In 3, 2, 1, and G. And E minor. C, U, and G, and D. And then we get into the chorus. So the chorus is also just E minor, C, G, and D, and E minor, C, and G, and D, then end on G. So the interlude, the musical part, is quite quick changes. It's G, D, E minor, D, C, C, D, D. So let's just go through the chorus once more, and then we're going to get into the interlude in the beginning and the interlude at the end. So the chorus, let's go in 3, 2, 1, and E minor. And C, G, and D, and E minor, and C, and G, and D. That end is for the interlude. The interlude within the song after the first chorus, it's only the chord G. You can either play it 1, 2, 1, 2, and go back into the verse. So the interlude within the song is G. You can also just strum it. So it's G, D, E minor, D, C, C, D, D. Or you can play it G, D, E minor, D, C, C, and D, D. That is the interlude within the song. Now the outro after the last chorus, the chorus stays the same. You're going to do it twice and you're going to end on G. So you're going to go G, D, E minor, D, C, C, D, D, and G. And end the song with G. Or you guys can once more just strum it. Go G, D, E minor, D, C, C, D, it just finishes off the song so beautifully. I hope you guys enjoyed this lesson. I love the song. I love to play along to the album. I like to play it alone, just with the acoustic guitar as well. It's such a cool song, such a beautiful song. I hope you guys enjoyed this lesson on this capo song. Stay tuned for some more. Another song done just like that. That is the third capo song you guys learned. It's such a good tool to have. I just love it. So make sure to hit subscribe and hit that notification bell to not miss any other stuff happening right here on this channel. There's some exciting stuff happening. Also join us on Facebook and on Instagram for some bonus tips and tricks. I'll see you guys a bit later.